No, 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 Jill, stop, 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 stop. Please stop.
Sige.
I'm a victim of alcohol abuse. For years, my life has been nothing but alcohol. It can change your life. Many people have lost family and friends, including themselves. I lost myself once. Have you ever been twerked by an old guy? Well, I have.